Sir, this is our PKI research entitled The Future of PKI in the Philippines Post-Quantum Cryptography. And our members is Kenneth Balatico, Roland Joseph Campita, Mark Justin Mercado, and Chody Santos. Pag ginalamit kita, pre, cut mo. And this is our explanation about our title. This title refers to the evolving landscape of public key infrastructure, or what we call PKI in the Philippines, in light of advancement in quantum computing and the emergence of post-quantum cryptography, or PQC. PKI is a framework that enables secure communication and authentication over the internet through the use of digital certificates and encryption. As quantum computers become more powerful, they pose a significant threat to traditional cryptographic methods, necessitating the development and implementation of PQC or post-quantum cryptography to ensure the continued security of PKI systems.
What is post-quantum cryptography and why is it important for PKI? Post-quantum cryptography refers to cryptographic algorithms that are designed to be secure against the potential threats posed by quantum computers. Traditional cryptographic methods such as RSA and ECC or elliptic curve cryptography could be easily broken by sufficiently powerful quantum computers using algorithms like Shor's algorithm. PQC is crucial for PKI because it ensures that digital certificates and encryption methods remain secure in a future where quantum computing. How will quantum computing affect digital certificates and encryption? Quantum computing has the potential to undermine the security of digital certificates and encryption by efficiently solving problems that are currently infeasible or classical computers. For instance, quantum computers could break RSA and ECC, which are widely used in PKI, securing communications and authenticating identities. This would allow malicious actors to decrypt sensitive information, forge digital signatures, and compromise the integrity of secure communications, leading to significant risk for individuals, businesses, and governments. Quantum computing is prevalent, thereby protecting sensitive data and maintaining trust in digital communications.
What preparation should the Philippines take to secure PKI in a post-quantum world? The Philippines should take several preparatory steps to secure its PKI in a post-quantum world. Invest in the research to identify and to develop PQC algorithm that can be integrated into existing PKI system. Educate stakeholders including government agencies, businesses, and the public about the implications of quantum computing and the importance of the transitioning to PQC. Are there existing quantum-safe PKI solutions in development? Candidates include hash-based, and code-based cryptographic algorithm. These solutions aim to provide secure alternatives to traditional PKI system, ensuring that digital for certificates and encryption methods can withstand quantum attacks.
How can the Philippine government and business prepare for post-quantum threats? The Philippines government and businesses can prepare for post-quantum threats by conducting risk assessments, evaluate current PKI system, and identify vulnerabilities that could be exploited by quantum computing. Investing in PQC solution begin transitioning the quantum safe cryptographic algorithms and solutions, ensuring the new system are designed with PQC in mind. Building partnerships, collaborate with technology providers, academic institutions, and international organizations to stay informed about advancements in PQC. And quantum computing, establishing a transition plan, develop a clear roadmap for transitioning existing PKI system to quantum safe alternatives, including timelines, resource allocation, and training for personnel.
That's all. Thank you for listening.